In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Slack. Whether you're coordinating with your team or catching up with a client, scheduling meetings efficiently in Slack will save you time and ensure everyone is on the same page. To kick things off, open the relevant Slack conversation. This could be a direct message with one person or a channel with your entire team. Navigating to the correct conversation is imperative, as this sets the context and ensures the invitation reaches the right individuals. If you're not already in the right chat, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the person or channel you need. Once there, you can start the scheduling process. Next, you'll want to use the calendar integration to schedule an event. Make sure that you've already connected your calendar app, such as Google Calendar or Outlook, to Slack. This integration is key because it allows you to create events without leaving the platform. If it's your first time, you might need to authorize the connection between Slack and your calendar app. But don't worry, it's a one-time setup. With the integration ready, go ahead and select the date and time for your meeting. You'll find options within the calendar pop-up to pick a date and set a specific time that works best for everyone involved. Be mindful of any time differences if your participants are in various locations. A quick check of their time zones can prevent scheduling conflicts. Once you have your date and time sorted, it's time to add the participants. This is straightforward if you've begun in the correct Slack conversation, as those individuals will already be visible. However, if you need to invite additional people, simply input their names or email addresses. By making sure everyone relevant is included, you enhance the chances of a productive meeting. Now, if your meeting is happening online, it's important to add a meeting link. This could be a Zoom link, Google Meet, or any other virtual meeting platform you're using. Doing so provides quick and easy access for participants, ensuring they can join with just a click and avoiding the scramble for links right before the meeting starts. Finally, it's time to create the event. Double-check all the details, making sure the time, date, participants, and the meeting link are correct. Then confirm the creation of the event. Your calendar integration will automatically send invitations to the participants, which includes all necessary details, and can also send reminders as the meeting approaches. A great tip here is to note that your Slack status can automatically update to "in a meeting" through the integration, helping others know when you're occupied. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting in Slack. Thanks to this seamless process, coordinating with your team or clients is both easy and efficient, leaving you more time to focus on the meeting content itself. Happy scheduling!